tickle, 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 tickle. Give me a smile. 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 Give me a smile.
Try smiling at him. See if he'll smile back. There you go. Good job, sweetie. You definitely know how to make your little brother smile.
Yeah.